Okay, so I chose to do problem 37b, show that points A, B, and C are vertices of a right triangle. Now, I struggled with this for a very long time. This was actually my first attempt at it. I'm not really sure what I was doing, but I was really struggling with just the whole process. So basically, I wound up reading, and our reading is not as descriptive as a lot of the other things that I found online. I found a 10th grade YouTube video that was actually the most useful thing that I found. And of course, I use Khan Academy as well, but that gets way deeper into some aspects that of the Pythagorean theorem and whatnot that I didn't really need for this particular problem. So basically, I worked on it several times. I worked on it over here and I couldn't get past this point, and I don't know what my deal was. And then over here, I was like, yeah, so I need to find the distances between the points. And I couldn't figure out, something that was coming out a little bit wrong and wonky. And so then I wrote it down again once more. So this is my process. If I can't figure something out, I'll start from the beginning. And so that's what I did here. So I drew it out because it's just easy to draw. I assumed that this was going to be my right angle, right? And I put A, B, and C and put my points in here. And then to do the distance, I put the points into the distance formula, right? And that was super easy. It came down to BC is 5, and then AC was 5 as well. And then AB turned out to be like a rounded number, 7.07, right? Because it was square root of 50. And so then what I wound up doing is just making sure C squared equals A squared plus B squared. And literally did that. Found 25 plus 25 equals 50. Finally! I'm really struggling with being able to understand all this stuff again. I know that there's a few students in the class that, like me, haven't taken this sort of material in over a decade, and this doesn't come easy to me. So I've been really struggling, really trying to find outside resources like Khan Academy and YouTube and whatnot. And I'm not completely familiar with how the online classroom works, so I've been struggling with that one as well because I'm used to Blackboard with my other college. So anyways, bear with me, I'm so sorry, and I will be commenting on some of your stuff today.